doing, man? I'm here to file this 5-page letter notice to Judge Cunningham.
Okay.
Here's there's the affidavit of personal service with it,
Okay.
and the how you call it?
Correspondence.
Yeah, the correspondence and proposal, order proposal with it.
All right.
And also, these are the deficiency notices from all the documents that I filed from the 20th, the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Which they should not be deficiency notice because that is a crime being committed to conceal the evidence from the
I'm
record.
going to grab a supervisor.
Pursuant to United States Code, Title 18, Section 271, concealment. This is a crime. It's a federal crime at that, too. So you need to get your manager because you guys are knowingly and willfully engaging in criminal activity here in this office. So I'm bringing it to your supervisor's attention. I'm glad you calling him. Why are you calling him? Or him, whatever he's going to do. Y'all are crazy. Criminal charges will be filed. So somebody got to take hold. Or I say take accountability. Because apparently everybody in here think they above the law. Apparently.
Hi, sir.
How you doing, miss? These deficiency notices, they're fraudulent notices to conceal my documents from the record. These are a matter of those, for that case right there.
Okay.
These are my documentation that I'm filing in that case. And pursuant to United States Code Title 18, Section 271, concealment, you should read that because who's ever removing this is knowingly engaging in criminal activity. And they're using their title and position. And these documents right here, they fall under Title 18, United States Code, Section 1001, false statute statements. So we can continue on playing this game. You know, I'm going to file these today. And, you know, if they want to send them back, they can send them back. But somebody's going to be held accountable for it. So whoever want to be held accountable, go ahead, put your name on the paperwork. And I'm going to do my part. You do your part to, you know, to go ahead and violate my rights.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, why not?
So this case number that you're filing these documents
That's the same for these.
This is the case.
Those are all the
right
cases,
there.
yes.
Well, the case that you're putting on here is not correct.
Yes, it is correct. The case number is right there.
But this is the case caption. It's the state of Minnesota versus you.
Okay.
It's not you versus
me
judge.
bringing that in. That's who I'm sending it to. That's who them papers are for.
But you need to notice the state of Minnesota, which
Miss,
is the prosecuting
that's a letter
attorney.
for him. That's a letter for the
we
judge.
Can't give the judge anything unless you serve
You could file it in. You could file it in the thing. For you to say that, that's a fraudulent lie right there.
It's not. We can't.
Why can't you give it to the judge? Tell me why.
Because
what court rule?
We can
what
only
law
do
states
that
that?
when you serve the other party.
Serve what other party?
The state of Minnesota.
All right. Are you guys not the state of Minnesota? Your clerk's office?
The prosecuting entity is the.
All right. So pursuant to Minnesota Rules of Civil Procedures, Rule 4.03a, personal service. When I serve this guy at his place of business, which is this courthouse, and I serve the clerk the documentation, he's automatically served with them because he's placed on notice.
Party. Who's
the other party then? Miss, is he not the prosecuting attorney?
Is the other party.
Miss,
So
I have to put you guys on notice, right? Yes or no? I have to put you. All right, but I have to put you guys on notice, right?
Well, we're not the county attorney.
But I have to put you guys on notice, right? Being know the case is in.
You need to put the county
Miss,
attorney.
anything that's being filed in this case, you're engaging because you're misrepresenting your office, Miss. You're misrepresenting your office, and that's a crime. You're lying.
This is court administration. We're not the county attorney.
Miss, your court administration is supposed to file these documents pursuant to everything I just told you.
But they're not properly served.
Why are they not properly served,
Because
Miss?
you need to serve the county.
What court rule says that they're not properly served, Miss?
Because you have to.
All right, can I ask you a question? What do you guys have to do with me serving the county attorney after I serve you guys and put you on notice?
They're the state of Minnesota.
All right, so you're just gonna remove my documents off the record?
We're not removing anything.
All right, this right here is verifiable proof, and that fraudulent deficiency notice is verifiable proof that my documents been taken off the record. All right, but that does not give you the right to remove my stuff off the record.
No, we won't put it in until